Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. It's been a long time. Thanks for tuning in. Michael, get back, man. Come on.
Hey.
Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey, guys and gals.
But, you know, I've been doing things and busy with, the daily life of everybody. And I saw the other day, I know it looks, but I scrub it really good. This
what's going on here?
Cupcake tin.
Oh.
But it's just because it's old and from the, it looks a little bit messed up, but it's not, I promise you.
Yeah, old things are good. Old things are good.
So what we're going to do, Michael, back up, because you really get like that.
Back it up, back it up.
I've been cooking and making meals all day. So anyways, this is
sausage.
Pork sausage. And what I did was I cut it.
Yes, she did.
I threw it out.
Yes.
The plastic. And what I'm going to do here, I have a brush and I have some corn oil. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to brush these little holes, because what we're going to make is sausage and egg muffin.
What's in there? What's in the eggs?
Well, the eggs, I took 4 eggs.
All right.
I scrambled them with a fork.
All right.
I add salt and pepper, as you can see right there on the side.
Oh, yeah.
I put half a teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
And a whole teaspoon, half a teaspoon of pepper and a whole teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
So, okay, and this is corn oil. And then I took like 3 slices of red onion and I chopped it in little tiny pieces and I threw it in there. You can throw whatever you want.
Anything.
Yes, anything you want. And this is my pork sausage. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to cut.
Cut it out, cut it out.
2, 3. I like to get it like this because I can cut it at whatever size I want. And this one is fresher because it's not frozen. They have it at the deli side.
This sausage,
and they have it, and this only cost me like $1.25, and this is
I've
pork
ever
sausage.
tasted.
It's all like
it's fresh.
it's all like thing all together, but it's really good. I like it. My kids like it. My husband.
No, I don't
likes
like it. I love it.
So what we're gonna do is let me take the first one. I'm gonna take one first.
All right. So what are we doing here?
I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it inside here like this.
Oh, like a muffin.
Like a muffin. And what I'm gonna do, see?
Oh wait, you gotta.
I know.
Fill the gap. Fill the gap.
Fill the gap like that. And what I'm gonna do is little things like this, and I'm gonna continue with number 2.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them around it. That's why I put the grease in the bottom so they don't stick, because we're gonna be putting these in the oven. In that space that you guys see that we're leaving up there,
yes,
we're gonna pour the eggs.
Oh, so it's gonna be like filling the meat with the egg.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Meaty eggs. I like that.
So what we're gonna do is like mini sausage and egg muffins.
Mini or regular?
Yeah, well, regular sausage and egg muffins.
I mean, yeah, they look regular to me.
Bake in the oven at 350.
Looks so good.
I know, right?
Yeah, I could eat it
See,
right
like,
now.
I don't need
just like
have
that.
to put that much. I want to make it, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't look that. There you go. That looks better there.
Sculpt it up, sculpt it up.
And then we're going to continue. Make another one. Here we go.
All right.
Okay.
And how many of those bad boys are we making today?
As many as I can fill in here. That was 1 roll of pork sausage, and that was only like
$2.
not even $2. It was like $1.68.
I was about to say that. Wow. I think we thought the same thing.
The market that we go to, they change the prices.
That's right.
And one day you can go and something can be high, and the next day. But I always get
something will be low.
Flyer that they have at the supermarket. Each supermarket has their own flyer where they sell regular stuff. So I like to buy
nice little coupons
on sale that week. That's what I like to cook. So I wanted to make these, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Wanted to make these.
I think I'm going to eat at least half of them.
You know, well, let's see how they come out.
Oh,
you know
I think they're going to come out great. Comment down below if you think they're going to come out great or if they're not going to come out so great.
I think that why wouldn't they come out great? Because what this is going to do is going to cook
I
at
already
350,
know they are.
And being on 350 is going to allow the sausage to get brown and crispy. And I'll know when they can come out.
And doesn't the sausage have its own...
Okay, so I think we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 9 of them.
The sausage has its own, like fat, right?
Yeah, it has its own
and
fat.
it actually makes it juicier,
so
guys.
So that will cook the eggs. The eggs will cook with the same fat. Hold on.
Look at that.
You know. Some of them I think I put a little bit too much.
No, actually, you know what?
You're good?
I think they're good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So
All right.
number 9. Yeah, there's not enough for number 10.
Maybe we can make 9.5.
If I take a little bit, because
9.5.
this one always look like a little bit too thick for me.
Maybe you can salvage some from others and make a new one.
And that's what we're doing. You see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I see. Evening it out.
Exactly.
By the way, everybody, yes, her hands are clean. Stop asking me.
Why? They keep on asking.
Some
My
people
hands are clean.
and emails.
So this is all the sausage. So actually, that little log of pork sausage made us 10
sausage.
10 beautiful things. So we put the corn oil in the bottom. As you can see, these, you see, they're gonna be empty. So what we're gonna do, this has salt, this has pepper. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna have to take a spoon.
All right.
Because we gotta pour.
Spoon it up, spoon it up.
We gotta pour the eggs, the batter.
All right.
I scrambled 4 eggs.
Oh. Look
I
at
don't know if
that.
if we don't have enough batter to put on all the eggs, it doesn't matter. I think we will.
You know, I think those
do you think?
look amazing.
I mean, I don't want to like overcrowd it with, I almost put batter.
A little batter.
In an empty one. Did you see that?
You know?
And then we'll finish.
Not only is this cooking, everybody, but this is art.
See, guys? So
right,
now
Mom?
we're going to put it,
Straight up
We're going to
art.
put this in the oven, guys. At
Perfecto. Look, you
At
just enough
350.
eggs for 10
all 10
patties.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven, and then you guys know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook, look us up on Pinterest.
That's
You
right.
can look us up on Google Plus.
All right.
And also you can scroll down.
Hey,
and,
hey.
You can press the
Press that notification bell.
notification bell.
So you get
So
notified.
every time. So what I'm gonna do, guys, why I put this. Go ahead and you guys go do all that good stuff.
And it is
Watch
on
our other
350.
videos. It's on 350.
For how long?
So we're gonna put this. This is cook time, Michael. That one.
350.
Cook time for. I said half hour.
That's right.
And start. And in half hour, we're gonna be back. We're gonna take these out. And we're gonna have some sausage and egg muffins. And I'll see you in a little bit. Don't go away. Guys, so thanks for coming back. So we have 2 seconds. One. Okay, it's done. So I gotta tell you that I did the first 30 minutes, but I always like my eggs a little bit more cooked.
That's right.
With 30
We
minutes,
all do.
the eggs they won't look that cooked like this. A little bit kind of like more. You know, there's people that like them a little bit kind of like, they like to see like the running going around. I don't. I like my stuff. Oh, these looks really nice.
Wow.
So I'm going to take one out. They're done. So I put it on. What I'm trying to say is I put it on for 5 more minutes. And I raised the temperature to 400 degrees. So they can like cook faster. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to try and get one of those out. Because I want to try one with you guys.
Look at them.
You guys are going to love this. Because I'm going to tell you what. I haven't had these in a long time. And as you can see, you move them like this. See? You can see that. You think it's cooked already? Or we should cook it a little bit more? It's cooked already. So I'm going to put one here. And let's see.
Oh, it looks like it looks like a muffin.
See? Yep. It's completely cooked. You
Wow.
see? Completely cooked. And it's seasoned and everything. And these are egg muffins. Right? Sausage and egg muffins. Wow. Wow. And it's very spicy and it's cooked completely. It's just delicious, let me tell you. As you can see, bring the camera here because I want everybody to see. You see how nice and crispy around the sausage and the egg. This is so good. I haven't eaten anything all day. Okay.
Ginger and
So you
Teddy.
guys should try it to see if you guys can make it. That's the guys. It's getting hot outside. But breakfast is delicious. Everybody likes to have their bacon and their eggs and their sausage in the morning. And you know I'm right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
But this is, I'm going to tell you, spectacular.
I can't wait to
Go
eat
to the
some.
supermarket, you get your pork.
Recipe in the description down below. All the ingredients.
And then to subscribe and all that while I keep on munching on this bar.
Sure. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit us up on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Tumblr, Google+, Pinterest. And if you want to donate $1 to our Patreon, you can.
Yep.
But if you don't, you don't have to. You can also follow us on there. So we love you all. And
thanks for watching.
thank you for watching. And you have a wonderful Thursday afternoon.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive.
We'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy. Good night.